day starts early today. Imagine stepping into a world that looks straight out of a fantasy movie. The sound of ice cracking in the distance, massive icebergs floating on crystal blue water, and a cold breeze hitting your face. Well, welcome to Glacier Lagoon. Alright, time to get even closer to these massive icebergs. We are hopping on a boat tour.
Listen to me and everything will be okay, okay? So first of all, if we are on land like we are right now, you will.
As the boat started moving, it felt like entering another world. Some of these icebergs are over 1,000 years old. Like imagine that, a piece of ice that have been around for so long. Icebergs all around us, some small and some absolutely gigantic. The water was so crystal blue it almost looked fake. And our guide told us that these ice are heavier than the one we have at home because there is no air in these icebergs. And then we got the chance to hold a piece of ice. After the boat tour, we made it to the Diamond Beach.
You feel misunderstood. Say what's the remedy? We'd be like-minded if we could, but that's not the case.
Leaving behind the sparkling ice of Diamond Beach, we hit the road once again, headed towards Möðrudalur Valley.
I can learn when we end deciding games and we don't pull on both ways. We can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do it.
The drive itself was an adventure. The landscape started to shift to vast open fields with rugged mountains in the distance. The further we went, the more isolated it felt. Like we were deeper into Iceland's untouched wilderness.
The blues, you keep me steady, yet lose. When we end deciding games and we don't pull on.
And then we arrived at this beautiful village, the highest inhabited farm in Iceland. This village is like stepping into a storybook version of Iceland. Colorful farmhouses, the church that looks straight out of a Viking era. And this is going to be our stay for tonight, a beautiful guest house.
Don't know
We enjoyed our evening in this beautiful village. And now I'll be quiet so you can enjoy the nature of this village. I spent my time sitting outside and watching these mountains for hours till it was dark. And then we saw the northern lights.